Not really, I'm not an evil supervillain. Welcome to Making It Out of the Woods. Now, I didn't want to go on camera. I really hate being in front of it. I love doing the projects, but I hate being in front of the camera. I've said that once already. It's difficult to be a YouTuber and not be. No, that's not true. Having been at Maker Central and meeting all you amazing guys, some of you subscribers, some of you fellow YouTubers, when you're just doing voiceovers, it's really difficult to say thank you for some of the amazing things that you receive, whether it's comments, letters, or even things in the post. Like this amazing wooden love spoon that the lovely Andy Pugh made for me and handed to me at Maker Central. Thanks, Andy. I want to start coming on video just to do a short introduction to the project I'll be making, but also to be able to have the opportunity to say thank you for anything that I've received. That means send me stuff. No, not really. Send me stuff. Even just to mention people that I've been inspired by when I've checked out YouTube over the weeks. And to be able to say thanks to you guys, to my subscribers, for watching and for sticking with me. The time I bit the bullet, got in there and did it. So this is me, being really uncomfortable, saying hi to you. So time that I introduced this week's project. This week's project is going to be this giant pine cone sent to me from Vicky, the carpenter's daughter, Milliput and some Royal Palm thin resin without any pressure or any vacuum chambers. Let's get foxy, see what we can do. I'm really uncomfortable, so I'm not hanging around anymore. I'm gonna go. That was really painful. Back. Okay, so you probably can't wait to find out how the pine spine pen turned out. Well, here it is. Now remember, the pen was made without pressure, without vacuum, and I'm really pleased with the results. I put it onto a Pazazz kit from Axminster Tools. The best part about the Pazazz kit is that it allows you to keep a lot of the blank material. It's chunky. Also, it has a special trick. I'll show you. At Maker Central, I met Stephen and his dad Eddie. Eddie's the boss. The guys from Milliput. They're so passionate about their business, and they were kindly giving away some of their new turquoise blue Milliput. So, as a thank you, I'm sending the pen up to the boys because they're good Welsh lads. And us Welsh people need to stick together. Yep, I'm Welsh. Yep, I'm Welsh. Hopefully they won't fight over who's best to put it on. In part, this video was also a review about the capabilities of the Royal Palm Resin thin. Remember that the pen was made without pressure or without vacuum. Did you know that vacuum is the only word in the English dictionary with 2 consecutive U's? The pen has no visible bubbles, it finished beautifully. I'm really pleased with the results. As hobbyists, not everyone wants to go out and buy the huge setup that it can take to pressurise and degas some of the other resin. It's nice to have an alternative go-to. I'll try it again. I want some more pens, and I'd be interested in making some other projects just to see exactly what it can do. The only downside is that it does have a 5-day curing time before you can turn it, but to be honest, if you're not producing pens in vast quantities, that's fine. That's fine. Thank you to the team at the House of Resin for sponsoring the video in part. What you need to do now is to get over to their website and get your hands on some of the Royal Palm Resin thin. It's definitely worth a go. It's pretty good stuff. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget, stay foxy. Funny feet? No, just off for a snack.